Today we are talking about the gang war between the 107 Hoover criminal gang and the Rolling 100's Crip gang. The 107 Hoover criminals are a large African-American street gang located between Jamestown Street and Roy Lowenstein Boulevard, with the Rolling 100 Crips formerly located in the Chamberlain Hills projects but are now located on Little Seoul. Although at first, the two gangs had no issues with each other, but after a large altercation they had a hatred for each other, leading members from Rolling 100's Crip to do a drive-by on 107 Hoover criminals, leaving one male injured and none DOA.
Bro, what are you doing?
Go, nigga.
Go. Go left.
I hit one, cuz I seen one of them niggas play. I seen one of them niggas drop, cuz.
In response, the 107 Hoover criminals decided to do a drive-by, letting off multiple shots and hitting one male.
Nah, this might not be it, brother.
No, make
Go
it
straight,
right.
go straight, no, go straight.
Make it
Go
right.
straight.
No, bro, cause why are we gonna drive that way? They can flame the car easy.
You're not gonna hop out, bro. Just drop, bro.
I know.
I'm finishing some shots. Come on.
Wait, hold on.
Come on, I'm finishing some shots.
Shoot.
Honk the horn. First of all.
Dude, not stop. Shoot, just shoot. Go,
Bro, that shit
good.
was
Get right,
weird.
go left. Left.
That shit was weird.
Bro, you can't. What?
In the trap.
A few hours after the drive-by from 107 Hoover criminals, Rolling 100 slid back, letting off multiple shots and hitting one male.
Homegirl, come with me. They all ran. Come on, bro. They all ran. What the fuck? I hear it too.
I'm saying, nigga, get ready.
Bro, get out the backyard,
Hey,
bro.
y'all niggas know someone in, Sham.
Get out the backyard. Get out the backyard. They hopped out. They hopped out.
Yup.
In West Side Hoover, they hopped out.
Yup.
Watch out. They hopped out. I can hear it.
Where?
Oh, watch out.
Right there, straight down there, straight.
Boom.
Wait.
Watch out. They over.
Where at? Where? Hey,
Come to
Johnny,
crib.
get in the crib.
Ah. Fuck.
A few days later there was another shooting between 107 Hoover criminals and Rolling 100 Crips, leading to 2 people being shot and killed.
Right here.
Yo, who this?
Who this?
Who is this?
Neighbor, who this?
What?
Honey Crip, nigga.
Get in.
Get in. Go, nigga.
Go.
Come on, nigga, easy,
Come on.
nigga.
Yo, who this? Who is this?
What's up?
Neighbor, who this?
What?
Honey Crip, nigga.
Get in.
It's probably
Stella's
90s.
down there still.
Right here.
Yo, who this?
Who this?
Who is this?
What's up?
Neighbor, who this?
What?
Honey Crip, nigga.
Fuck, nigga. Lay it down, bitch. Back in the whip. Get in. Back in the whip. Go, nigga. Push the whip.
Go.
Neighbor, who this?
What?
Honey Crip, nigga.
Back in the whip.
After the shooting that took place, a week later members of Rolling 100's Crip hopped out across the street in the alleyway letting off multiple shots hitting 3 males. It was announced that 1 person was killed.
Let's go for one nigga. Go for the nigga in the blue. Alright? Go.
It's 2 of them in the blue.
To hear it. On gang, I love to hear it. On gang, I love to hear it. Bitch ass nigga, lay that shit down, nigga. Get up. Get up.
In the crib, in the crib.
Watch out, nigga, move! Bitch. Yeah, nigga! This what I do, nigga! This what the fuck I do! Get in the crib, nigga! This what the fuck I do, nigga! This what
It is unclear what happened before this shooting, but members from Rolling 100s were driving past 107 Hoover Criminals' hood when they spotted a group of males standing outside. They decided to hop out, letting off multiple shots, leaving 4 people shot and 2 DOA.
Fuck it. Fuck it. Wait, get him.
Members from 107 Hoover Criminals were driving around when they spotted a male with a blue flag walking down the street. They decided to pull up to the male, asking where he was from. After the male responded, there were multiple shots fired, leaving the male dead on the scene.
So, you from where? 100 blocks. Okay. Yeah, nigga. Come on.
Who this?
100 blocks. Okay. Bitch ass nigga. We going. Get away. Come on.
What? Who this? Who's you, nigga? Damn, homie. Why you got my flag on?
Well, saying, bro, who is you? Nathan, nigga, get on my feet. Bro.
Who this? What you got my flag on for? But nah. Fuck that.
Where
My
you
flag
from,
on.
though, man? You got the hood on your neck, bro. What's up? You from where?
100
blocks. Bitch ass nigga. Fuck honey buns, whole ass nigga. We going. Get away. Come on.
Come here.
What?
In the car.
Go.
A few weeks later, a member from 107 Hoover was walking when 4 members from Rolling 100 Crip pulled up to him, asking where he was from. He then stated he was from 107 Hoover. Once the male said where he was from, the 4 members from Rolling 100 Crip hopped out of their car, letting off multiple shots, leaving the male dead on the scene.
You from St. Louis?
Yeah, I'm from St. Louis. What?
Oh, for sure.
Where you from?
Neighbor crib, bitch.
Oh, neighbor, roll on the crib, bitch, get up. Neighbor.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We will be posting a lot more videos like this and hope you enjoy all of them. Drop a like and make sure to comment on what you think about this video.
I just wanna be